Hi, this is Handy TF. We just bought this Honda HRN lawnmower. In this video, we are going to test drive it. Inside the box, it has a bottle of engine oil, the grass bag that you need to turn inside out, and the metal frame for the bag. Raise the handlebar to one of two height positions that works best for you. The height is set by one of the two holes on each side, and lock the knobs. Make sure both sides are positioned at the same height. Remove all the cardboard from around the handlebar. This mower has two blades that is stacked and offset. It provides smaller clippings for better mulching and bagging. This brand new mower has no engine oil in it, so we can pour the whole bottle into it. Later on, when you need to add more oil, use the SAE 10W30 oil. This engine uses the regular gasoline with octane rating of 86 or higher. Do not use the gasoline with more than 10% ethanol, otherwise it might damage the engine. This is the fuel valve. It needs to be on the horizontal position. It has 7 cutting height settings. Each number means the blade clearance from the ground, so 1 means the blade is 1 inch off the ground, 2 is 2 inches off the ground, and so on. It has 2 cutting height adjustment levers. Each lever adjusts the height of both wheels. To adjust the rear wheel height, you need lift the mower up slightly, and then pull the adjustment lever. Pull the release lock and then move the lever to the bag or mulch position. When it is in bag position, the opening in the back is fully open. If you don't use the bag, the clippings will discharge through this rear opening. It does not have separate side discharge opening like other mower. When it is in mulch position, the opening in the back is fully closed. Put the frame into the grass bag. The bag has plastic clips all around. The one clip that turns outwards is on the handle side, then push the frame opening into the clips. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. The more you push the smart drive control, the faster the mower will go. It is rear wheel driven. The smart drive control can be adjusted up or down into any one of 5 initial positions that works best for you. If you set it too low, then you will need thumb to push it down, and your thumb will get tired pretty soon. I like to set it high, so when I grab the handle, it pushes down the drive at the same time without using my thumb. To start the engine, pull back on the blade control lever, then pull the rope. This mower does not need choke or prime to start it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Handy TF.